The recently signed Inflation Reduction Act is stirring up new interest in electric vehicles with new tax credits for both new and used EVs starting next year. But consumer reporter John Matarese looks at whether the new tax credits will really make EVs more affordable so you don't waste your money.
Anthony Cook sells electric cars and can't stop gushing about new EVs like the Mercedes EQS.
Navigation does everything for you, really. It makes it super easy.
Dealership marketing director Kevin Fry hopes the Inflation Reduction Act brings in new buyers now that manufacturers will no longer be limited to selling less than 200,000 vehicles to give a tax break.
There will not be a limit on the amount of EV credits. So manufacturers like Tesla, Toyota are going to have no problem from that point.
So starting next year, you can get up to a $7,500 tax credit for many new EVs. For some used vehicles, you'll get up to a $4,000 credit.
The problem is that the new law is a bit complicated. Some EVs that qualify for a tax break this year may no longer qualify after January 1st.
That's because EVs must be assembled in North America to qualify. Car buyers have to meet income guidelines, and only vehicles below a certain price will qualify. Carl Brower with the auto site IC Cars worries some manufacturers may use the credits as a reason to raise prices.
Any justification they can get to raise the price, such as a $7,500 tax credit, to be offset by raising the price by around that same amount, they're taking, because it's hard to be profitable on these vehicles.
Carl also says there are not yet enough used vehicles to keep up with demand.
Remember, there's only so many used EVs, and they're going up in price already without that credit.
He says if you have the cash, this fall may be the time to buy, when you can still get tax credits on EVs assembled outside the U.S. Still confused? Kevin Fry says talk to a local dealer.
They communicate directly with the manufacturer to let you know which car qualifies and what are the best credits available to you.
That way you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese.